Good morning, everyone. Today is the day 6 of the MCQ section we are doing for the FTII coaching program. So we are going to do the literature section and the chapter is international books. Let's begin. So the question number 1 is, who is the author of the novel Un Delito d'Honneur, A Crime of Honor? Options are option A, Frederick Mistral, option B, Giorgio Barberi Scurotti, option C, Giovanni Arpino, option D, Bernardino Zapponi. So the correct option is option C, Giovanni Arpino. Let's check the answer. So option C, Giovanni Arpino is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book Un Delito d'Honneur. And that's the author, Giovanni Arpino. Okay, coming to the next question, question number 2. On which of the following Indian classical dances did Sunil Kothari not write a book on? Options are option A, Kuchipudi, option B, Odissi, option C, Bharatnatyam, and option D, Kathak. So the correct option is option C, Bharatnatyam. Let's check the answer.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैंने गूगल किया था, सुनील कोठारी ने भरतनाट्यम पर भी बुक लिखी है।
बेटा 50 चीजों पे लिखी है, यहाँ पर एक चीज पे बात हो रही है जो उसकी इंपॉर्टेंट किताब है, उस चीज के ऊपर बात हो रही है। ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो है इंपॉर्टेंट किताब जो है उसकी वो कथक के ऊपर है, मेन जो किताब है उसकी, जिसके लिए सुनील कोठारी को जाना जाता है।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
अगर आप बोल रहे हैं कि भरतनाट्यम पे भी लिखी है तो उसको हम चेंज कर देंगे, यहाँ पर कुछ और लगा देंगे, इसको चेक कर देंगे। मेन किताब है उसकी वो कथक के ऊपर है, जो इसके लिए सुनील कोठारी को जाना है।
थैंक यू सर।
चेंज कर देंगे।
And that's Sunil Kothari. Next question, question number 3. Who wrote the book New Directions in Indian Dance? Options are option A, Sunil Kothari, option B, Maya Rao, option C, Mrinalini Sarabhai, and option D, Ratikant Mohapatra. The correct option is option A, Sunil Kothari. Let's check the answer. Option A, Sunil Kothari is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, New Directions in Indian Dance. And that's again Sunil Kothari. Moving to the next question, question number 4. Who is the author of the book, The Aladia Sisters? Options are option A, Javed Siddiqui, option B, Khalid Muhammad, option C, Shama Zaidi, option D, Rao Raja Hukum Singh. So the author of the book, The Aladia Sister, is option B, Khalid Muhammad. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book by Khalid Muhammad. And that's the author himself. Next question, question number 5. The Nobel Prize in Literature 2019 was awarded to. Options are option A, Bob Dylan, option B, Harold Pinter, Option C, Peter Handke. Option D, Alice Munro. So the correct option is option C, Peter Handke. Let's check it. Option C, Peter Handke is the correct option. And that's himself. Next question, question number 6. 2019 Pulitzer Prize for Fiction. The novel is about 9 Americans whose unique life experiences with trees bring them together to address the destruction of forest. Name the novel. Options are option A, The Overstory by Richard Powers. Option B, The Orphan Master's Son by Adam Johnson. Option C, The Road by Cormac McCarthy. And option D, The Color Purple by Alice Walker. So the correct option is option A, The Overstory by Richard Powers. Let's check it, the answer. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Overstory. Another cover. Next question, question number 7. The well-known book in which Khalid Muhammad writes of 6 Muslim girls who ran away from home to define their destinies. Options are option A, Beloved. Option B, Outlander. Option C, Women Who Ruled India. And option D, the Aladia Sisters. So the correct option is option D, the Aladia Sisters. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is again the cover of the book. And that's Khalid Muhammad. Next question, question number 8. The famous film, The Kite Runner, is based on the novel by, options are, option A, Gulbadan Begum, option B, Rumi, option C, Hussaini Khalid, option D, Jami. So the correct option is option C, Hussaini Khalid. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And there are a few images. This is Hussaini Khalid. This is the cover of the book. Next question, question number 9. Who is the author of the book on Fiji Islands? Options are option A, Carol Smith, option B, Ronald Wright, option C, Timothy Richardson, option D, E.L. Wilson. The correct option is option B, Ronald Wright. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book on Fiji Islands. Next question, question number 10. Who is the author of the book A Tramp Abroad? Options are option A, Virginia Woolf, option B, Michelangelo, option C, Elizabeth Wilde, and option D, Mark Twain. So the correct option is option D, Mark Twain. Here, option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, A Tramp Abroad. Next question, question number 11. Who is the author of the book, Southern Cross to Pole Star? Options are option A, Thomas Kelly, option B, Bright Bradshaw, option C, A.F. Shifley, option D, Ronald Wright. So the correct option is option C, A.F. Shifley. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Southern Cross to Pole Star by Shifley. Next question, question number 12. Who is the author of the book, The Great Railway Bazaar? Options are option A, Paulo Coelho, option B, A.F. Shifley, option C, Paul Theroux, option D, Saint Martin Parkinson. The correct option is option C, Paul Theroux. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Great Railway Bazaar, by Train Through Asia. Next question, question number 13. Who is the author of the book, The Valley of the Assassins and Other Persian Travels? Options are option A, Steven Spielberg, option B, Freya Stark, option C, Mark Anderson, and option D, Edwin Parker. The correct option is option B, Freya Stark. Let's check it. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Valley of the Assassins. Next question, question number 14. Who is the author of the book, Travels with a Donkey in the Sievennes? Options are option A, Edwin Bright, option B, A.F. Shifley, option C, Ronald Wright, and option D, Robert Louis Stevenson. The correct option is option D, Robert Louis Stevenson. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Travels with a Donkey in the Sievennes. Next question, question number 15. Who is the author of the book Travels with Charlie in Search of America? Options are option A, Francis Francois, option B, Freya Stark, option C, John Steinbeck, option D, John Spielberg. So the correct option is option C, John Steinbeck. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Travels with Charlie. Next question, question number 16. Who is the author of the book, Journal of the Discovery of the Source of the Nile? Sorry, a Journal on the Discovery of the Source of the Nile. Options are option A, T.S. Eliot, option B, Johnson Marvel, option C, J.H. Speake, and option D, Karl Marx. The correct option is option C, J.H. Speake. Let's check the answer. Option C, J.H. Speake is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Discovery of the Source of the Nile. Next question, question number 17. Who is the author of the book, Sailing Alone Around the World? Options are option A, Paul Theroux, option B, John Steinbeck, option C, Joshua Slocum, option D, J.H. Speake. So the correct option is option C, Joshua Slocum. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Sailing Alone Around the World. Next question, question number 18. Who is the author of the book, Dead Man's Chest, Travels After Robert Louis Stevenson? Options are option A, Sam Smith, option B, Julie Anderson, option C, Nicholas Rankin, option D, Joshua Slocum. So the correct option is option C, Nicholas Rankin. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. There might be some problem here. Need to read the question. Next question, question number 19. Who is the author of the book Travels? Options are option A, Paul Theroux, option B, Nicholas Rankin, option C, Marco Polo, option D, J.H. Speake. So the correct option is option C, Marco Polo. Let's check the answer. Option C, Marco Polo is a correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Travels of Marco Polo. Who is the author of the book Into the Heart of Borneo? So this is the question number 20. Who is the author of the book Into the Heart of Borneo? Options are option A, Marco Polo, option B, Joshua Slocum, option C, J.H. Speake, and option D, Raymond O'Hanlon. So the correct option is option D, Raymond O'Hanlon. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book Into the Heart of Borneo. Raymond O'Hanlon is also known as Redmond O'Hanlon. Next page, page number 3. Question number 21. Who is the author of the book La Salle and the Discovery of the Great West? Options are option A, John Steinbeck, option B, Joshua Slocum, option C, Francis Parkman, option D, J.H. Speake. The correct option is option C, Francis Parkman. Let's check the answer. Option C, Francis Parkman is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, La Salle and the Discovery of the Great West, France and England and North America. Next question, question number 22. Who is the author of the book Roads to Santiago? Options are option A, Francis Parkman, option B, Cees Nooteboom, option C, Marco Polo, and option D, Joshua Slocum. So the correct option is option B, Cees Nooteboom. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. What happened? And this is the cover of the book, Roads to Santiago. Next question, question number 23. Who is the author of the book, A Short Walk in the Hindu Kush? Options are option A, Leslie Field, option B, Eric Newby, option C, Marco Polo, and option D, Cees Nooteboom. The correct option is option B, Eric Newby. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, A Short Walk in the Hindu Kush. Next question, question number 24. Who is the author of the book, Among the Believers, An Islamic Journey? Options are option A, Tencent Marker. Option B, Claire Fellington. Option C, Nandan Chavan. And option D, V.S. Naipaul. The correct option is option D, V.S. Naipaul. Let's check it. Option D, V.S. Naipaul is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Among the Believers and an Islamic Journey. Next question, question number 25. Who is the author of the book, Never Cry Wolf? Options are option A, Joshua Slocum. Option B, Marco Polo. Option C, Francis Parkman. And option D, Farley Moa. The correct option is option D, Farley Moa. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Never Cry Wolf. Next question, question number 26. Who is the author of the book, Destinations, Essays from Rolling Stone? Options are option A, Peterson Dragfield. Option B, Marco Polo. Option C, Francis Parkman. And option D, Jan Morris. So the correct option is option D, Jan Morris. Let's check it. Option D, Jan Morris is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Destinations, Essays from Rolling Stone. Next question, question number 27. Who is the author of the book, The Snow Leopard? Options are...
Leopard.
Sorry?
AI.
Please keep your mics off. Options are option A, Jonathan Smith. Option B, Nicholas Francis. Option C, Eric Newby. And option D, Peter Matheson. The correct option is option D, Peter Matheson. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Snow Leopard.
It's leopard.
You can, like, there are different translations.
It's an animal. It's leopard.
Next question, question number 28. Who is the author of the book, The Danube? Options are option A, Nevin Bradshaw. Option B, C.S. Newboom. Option C, Claudio Magris. And option D, Eric Newby. The correct option is option C, Claudio Magris. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Danube. Next question, question number 29. Who is the author of the book Arctic Dreams? Options are option A, Mark Twain, option B, Larry Larson, option C, Barry Lopez, and option D, V.S. Naipaul. The correct option is option C, Barry Lopez. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Arctic Dreams. Imagination and Desire in a Northern Landscape. Next question, question number 30. Who is the author of the book, The Cruise of the Snark? Options are option A, T.S. Eliot, option B, V.S. Naipaul, option C, Jack London, and option D, Farley Moore. The correct option is option C, Jack London. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Cruise of the Snark. Moving to the next page, page number 4. Question number 31. Who is the author of the book, Golden Earth, Travels in Burma? Options are option A, Farley Moore, option B, Dan Morris, option C, Norman Lewis, and option D, Jack London. The correct option is option C, Norman Lewis. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Golden Earth, Travels in Burma. Next question, question number 32. Who is the author of the book, A Rose for Winter? Options are option A, Barry Lopez, option B, Claudio Magris, option C, Norman Lewis, and option D, Laurie Lee. The correct option is option D, Laurie Lee. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, A Rose for Winter. Next question, question number 33. Who is the author of the book, The Seasick Whale? Options are option A, Jan Morris, option B, Peter Matheson, option C, Barry Lopez, and option D, Ephraim Kishon. The correct option is option D, Ephraim Kishon. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Seasick Whale. Moving to the next question, question number 34. Who is the author of the book Eothen? Options are option A, Claudio Magris, option B, A.W. Kinglake, option C, Norman Lewis, and option D, Barry Lopez. So the correct option is A.W. Kinglake. Let's check it. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Eothen, Traces of Travel Brought Home from the East. Next question, question number 35. Who is the author of the book Journey to the Hebrides? Options are option A, Samuel Johnson, option B, A.W. Kinglake, option C, Claudio Magris, and option D, Barry Lopez. So the correct option is option A, Samuel Johnson. Let's check it. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book. A Journey to the Western Island of Scotland and the Journal of a Tour to the Hebrides. Next question, question number 36. Who is the author of the book Video Night in Kathmandu? Options are option A, A.W. Kinglake, option B, Samuel Johnson, option C, Pico Iyer, option D, Ephraim Kishin. So the correct option is option C, Pico Iyer. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Video Night in Kathmandu and Other Reports from the Not So Far East. Question number 37. Who is the author of the book, The Last Place on Earth? Options are option A, Norman Lewis, option B, Ephraim Kishin, option C, Pico Iyer, and option D, Roland Huntford. The correct option is option D, Roland Huntford. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Last Place on Earth by Roland Huntford. Next question, question number 38. Who is the author of the book, The Purple Land? Options are option A, A.W. Kinglake, option B, W.H. Hudson, option C, Mark Twain, and option D, Ephraim Kishin. The correct option is option B, W.H. Hudson. Let's check it. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Purple Land. Next question, question number 39. Who is the author of the book Kon-Tiki? Options are option A, Mark Clare, option B, Samuel Johnson, option C, W.H. Hudson, option D, Thor Heyerdahl. So the correct option is option D, Thor Heyerdahl. Let's check it. Option D, Thor Heyerdahl is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Kon-Tiki. Next question, question number 40. Who is the author of the book 7 Years in Tibet? Options are option A, Mark Twain, option B, Karl Marx, option C, Heinrich Harrer, option D, Pico Iyer. The correct option is option C, Heinrich Harrer. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, 7 Years in Tibet. Next page, page number 5. Question number 41. Who is the author of the book, The Traveler's Tree? Options are option A, Laurie Lee, option B, Ephraim Kishen, option C, A.W. Kingley, and option D, Patrick Leigh Fermor. The correct option is option D, Patrick Leigh Fermor. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Traveler's Tree, A Journey Through the Caribbean Island. Next question, question number 42. Who is the author of the book On the Narrow Road to the Deep North? Options are option A, Peter Dickinson, option B, Thor Heyerdahl, option C, Leslie Downer, option D, Pico Iyer. The correct option is option C, Leslie Downer. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, On the Narrow Road to the Deep North, Journey into a Lost Japan. Next question, question number 43. Who is the author of the book, My Journey to Lhasa? Options are option A, Sile Carey, option B, W.H. Hudson, option C, Alexander David Neal, and option D, Roland Huntford. The correct option is option C, Alexander David Neal. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, My Journey to Lhasa. Next question, question number 44. Who is the author of the book The Voyage on HMS Beagle? Options are option A, W.H. Hudson, option B, Leslie Downer, option C, Heinrich Harrer, option D, Charles Darwin. The correct option is option D, Charles Darwin. Let's check the answer. Option D, Charles Darwin is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Voyage of the Beagle. Next question, question number 45. Who is the author of the book In Patagonia? Options are option A, Thor Heyerdahl, option B, Heinrich Harrer, option C, Bruce Charles Chatwin, option D, Leslie Downer. The correct answer is option C, Bruce Charles Chatwin. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book In Patagonia. Next question, question number 46. Who is the author of the book The Road to Oxiana? Options are option A, Padder James, option B, Patrick Lee Fermer, option C, Robert Byron, and option D, Alexander David Neal. The correct option is option C, Robert Byron. Let's check the answer. Option C, Robert Byron is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Road to Oxiana. Next question, question number 47. Who is the author of the book, The Scorpion Fish? Options are option A, Leslie Hill Clark, option B, Leslie Downer, option C, Bruce Charles Chatwin, option D, Nicholas Bouvier. The correct option is option D, Nicholas Bouvier. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Scorpion Fish. Question number 48. Who is the author of the book Travels? Options are option A, Ibn Battuta, option B, Alexander David Neal, option C, Robert Byron, and option D, Charles Darwin. So the author of the book Travel is option A, Ibn Battuta. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Travels of Ibn Battuta. The next question is question number 49. Who is the author of the book, The Bride Wore Black? Options are option A, C.S. Lewis, option B, Ibn Battuta. Option C, Cornel Woolrich. Option D, Nicholas Bouvier. The correct option is option C, Cornel Woolrich. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Bride Wore Black. Next question, question number 50. Who is the author of the book, Born Victim? Options are option A, Charles Keith. Option B, Anderson Peter. Option C, Hilary Waugh. Option D, Charles Darwin. The correct option is option C, Hilary Waugh. Let's check the answer. Option C, Hilary Waugh, is the correct option. Next page, page number 6. Question number 51. Who is the author of the book, Above the Dark Circles? Options are option A, Sir Hugh Walpole. Option B, Charles Darwin. Option C, Nicholas Bouvier. Option D, Robert Byron. The correct option is option A, Sir Hugh Walpole. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Above the Dark Circles. Next question, question number 52. Who is the author of the book, The Daughter of Time? Options are option A, Ibn Battuta. Option B, Cornel Woolrich. Option C, Josephine Tay. Option D, Sir Hugh Walpole. The correct option is option C, Josephine Tay. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Daughter of Time. Next question, question number 53. Who is the author of the book, A Pin to See the Peep Show? Options are option A, F. Tennyson Jesse. Option B, Hilary Waugh. Option C, Cornel Woolrich. Option D, Sir Hugh Walpole. The correct option is option A, F. Tennyson Jesse. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct option. Next question, question number 54. Who is the author of the book, The Man Who Killed Himself? Options are option A, F. Tennyson Jesse, option B, Julian Simons, option C, Sir Hugh Walpole, and option D, Josephine Tey. The correct option is option B, Julian Simons. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Man Who Killed Himself. Next question, question number 55. Who is the author of the book, The Red Box? Options are option A, Hilary Waugh, option B, Julian Simons, option C, Josephine Tey, and option D, Rex Stout. The correct option is option D, Rex Stout. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book. The rubber band, the red box. Who is the author of the book, The Laughing Policeman? Question number 56. Who is the author of the book, The Laughing Policeman? Options are option A, Hilary Waugh, option B, Matt Sewall, option C, Josephine Tey, and option D, Sir Hugh Walpole. The correct option is option B, Matt Sewall. Let's check it. Option B, Matt Sewall is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Laughing Policeman. Next question, question number 57. Who is the author of the book, Mr. Hyer's Engagement? Options are option A, Rex Stout, option B, George Simenon, option C, F. Tennyson Jesse, and option D, Sir Hugh Walpole. The correct option is option B, George Simenon. Let's check the answer. Option B, George Simenon is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Mr. Hyer's Engagement. Next question, question number 58. Who is the author of the book, Gaudy Night? Options are option A, Sir Hugh Walpole, option B, Dorothy L. Sayers, option C, F. Tennyson Jesse, and option D, Josephine Tey. The correct option is option B, Dorothy L. Sayers. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book Gaudy Night, a Lord Peter Wimsey mystery. Next question, question number 59. Who is the author of the book Judgment in Stone? Options are option A, Josephine Day, option B, Julia Simons, option C, Dorothy L. Sayers, and option D, Ruth Rendell. The correct option is option D, Ruth Rendell. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And no, there's no image. Next question, question number 60. Who is the author of the book The Men in the Net? Options are option A, Ruth Rendell, option B, Patrick Quentin, option C, Dorothy L. Sayers, and option D, Rex Stout. The correct option is option B, Patrick Quentin. Let's check it. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Men in the Net. Next page, page number 7. Question number 61. Who is the author of the book, The Chinese Orange Mystery? Options are option A, Thomas Edison, option B, Maj Sewall, option C, Ellery Queen, and option D, Patrick Quentin. The correct option is option C, Ellery Queen. Let's check it. Option C, Ellery Queen is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Chinese Orange Mystery. Next question, question number 62. Who is the author of the book Dover One? Options are option A, Ruth Rendell, option B, Joyce Potter, option C, Ellery Queen, and option D, George Simenon. The correct option is option B, Joyce Potter. Let's check the answer. Option B, Joyce Potter is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Dover, the collected short stories. Next question, question number 63. Who is the author of the book Deadlock? Options are option A, Maj Sewall, option B, Sarah Paretsky, option C, Ruth Rendell, and option D, Dorothy L. Sayers. The correct option is option B, Sarah Paretsky. Let's check it. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book Deadlock by Sarah Peretsky. Next question, question number 64. Who is the author of the book A Red Death? Options are option A, Ruth Rendell, option B, Patrick Quentin, option C, Walter Mosley, and option D, P.B. Shelley. The correct option is option C, Walter Mosley. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, A Red Death. Next question, question number 65. Who is the author of the book, The Red House Mystery? Options are option A, Ruth Rendell, option B, Ellery Queen, option C, A.A. Milne, option D, Patrick Quentin. The author of the book, The Red House Mystery, is option C, A.A. Milne. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Red House Mystery. Next question, question number 66. Who is the author of the book, How Like an Angel? Options are option A, Patrick Quentin, option B, A.A. Milne, option C, Margaret Miller, and option D, Joyce Potter. The correct option is option C, Margaret Miller. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, How Like an Angel. Next question, question number 67. Who is the author of the book, The 7% Solution? Option is option A, Margaret Miller, option B, A.A. Milne, option C, Nicholas Meyer, and option D, Joyce Potter. The correct option is option C, Nicholas Meyer. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The 7% Solution. Next question, question number 68. Who is the author of the book, The Steam Pig? Options are option A, Ellery Queen, option B, James McClure, option C, Joyce Potter, and option D, Sarah Peretsky. The correct option is option B, James McClure. Let's check it. Option B, James McClure, is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Steam Pig. Next question, question number 69. Who is the author of the book, An Oxford Tragedy? Options are option A, Walter Mosley, option B, James McClure, option C, J.C. Masterman, and option D, Nicholas Meyer. The correct option is option C, J.C. Masterman. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, An Oxford Tragedy. Next question, question number 70. Who is the author of the book, Final Curtain? Options are option A, A. Milne, option B, Cooper Hilton, option C, J.C. Masterman, and option D, Niall Marsh. The author of the book Final Curtain is option D, Niall Marsh. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book Final Curtain. Next page, page number 8. Question number 71. Who is the author of the book, The Last Detective? Options are option A, Mark Twain, option B, P.B. Shelley, option C, Niall Marsh, and option D, Peter Lovesey. The correct option is option D, Peter Lovesey. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Last Detective. Next question, question number 72. Who is the author of the book, The Mystery of the Yellow Room? Options are option A, Walter Mosley, option B, Gaston Leroux, option C, Margaret Miller, and option D, Niall Marsh. The correct option is option B, Gaston Leroux. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Mystery of the Yellow Room. Next question, question number 73. Who is the author of the book, The Spy Who Came In From the Cold? Options are option A, Margaret Miller, option B, Gaston Leroux, option C, Niall Marsh, and option D, John Le Carre. The correct option is option D, John Le Carre. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Spy Who Came In From the Cold. Next question, question number 74. Who is the author of the book, Death of My Aunt? Options are option A, John Le Carre, option B, Peter Lovesey, option C, J.C. Masterman, and option D, C.H.B. Kitchen. So the correct option is option D, C.H.B. Kitchen. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Death of My Aunt. Next question, question number 75. Who is the author of the book, The Sleeping Car Murderers? Options are option A, C.H.B. Kitchen, option B, Ngaio Marsh, option C, Peter Lovesey, and option D, Sebastian Japrisot. The correct option is option D, Sebastian Japrisot or Japrisot. Let's check it. Option D, Sebastian Japrisot is the correct option. Next question, question number 76. Question number 76. Who is the author of the book, The Murder Room? Options are option A, Johnny Carlin, option B, P.D. James, option C, Gaston Leroux, and option D, John Le Carre. The correct option is option B, P.D. James. Let's check the answer. This is the cover of the book. I think this is the wrong cover, or there's some problem in the question. A Mind to Murder is the book by P.D. James. Next question, question number 77. Who is the author of the book, Hamlet Revenge? Options are option A, Gaston Leroux, option B, C.H.B. Kitchen, option C, John Le Carre, and option D, Michael Ennis. The correct option is option D, Michael Ennis. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Hamlet Revenge by Michael Ennis. Next question, question number 78. Who is the author of the book Malice Aforethought? Options are option A, Franco Lewis, option B, Michael Innes, option C, Francis Iles, and option D, Michael Corr. The correct option is option C, Francis Iles. Let's check the answer. Option C, Francis Iles, is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Malice Aforethought. Next question, question number 79. Who is the author of the book, Miss Simila's Feeling for the Snow? Options are option A, Peter Hogg, option B, Francis Iles, option C, Michael Innes, and option D, CHB Kitchen. The correct option is option A, Peter Hogg. Let's check the answer. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Miss Simila's Feeling for Snow. Moving to the next question, question number 80. Who is the author of the book, A Rage in Harlem? Options are option A, Sebastian Japrisot, option B, P.D. James, option C, Francis Iles, and option D, Chester Himes. So the author of the book, A Rage in Harlem, the correct option is option D, Chester Himes. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, A Rage in Harlem. Next page, page number 9, and question number 81. Who is the author of the book, Bones and Silence? Options are option A, T.S. Eliot, option B, Reginald Hill, option C, Michael Chloe, option D, Michael Innes. The correct option is option B, Reginald Hill. And B is the correct option. This is the cover of the book, Bones and Silence by Reginald Hill. Next question, question number 82. Who is the author of the book, Suicide Accepted? Options are option A, Parkinson Francis, option D, Francis Iles, option C, Cyril Hare, option D, P.D. James. The correct option is option C, Cyril Hare. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Suicide Accepted. Moving to the next question, question number 83. Who is the author of the book Red Harvest? Options are option A, C.S. Lewis, option B, Dashiell Hammett, option C, Chester Himes, and option D, Peter Hogg. So the author of the book Red Harvest is option B, Dashiell Hammett. Let's check it. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book Red Harvest. Next question, question number 84. Who is the author of the book Death in the Wrong Room? Options are option A, Peter Simpson, option B, Chester Himes, option C, Anthony Gilbert, and option D, Peter Hogg. The correct option is option C, Anthony Gilbert. Let's check the answer. Option C, Anthony Gilbert is the correct option. Next question, question number 85. Who is the author of the book The Sunday Woman? Options are option A, Anthony Gilbert, option B, Cyril Hare, option C, Carlo Fritero, and option D, Reginald Hill. The correct option is option C, Carlo Fritero. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Sunday Woman. Next question, question number 86. Who is the author of the book Quiet as a Nun? Options are option A, Anthony Gilbert, option B, Cyril Hare, option C, Lady Antonia Fraser, option D, Chester Himes. The correct option is option C, Lady Antonia Fraser. Let's check it. Option C, Lady Antonia Fraser is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Quiet as a Nun, A Tale of Murder by Antonia Fraser. Next question, question number 87. Who is the author of the book Bloodsport? Options are option A, Reginald Hill, option B, Cyril Hare, option C, Carlo Fritero, option D, Dick Francis. The correct option is option D, Dick Francis. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Bloodsport. Next question, question number 88. Who is the author of the book, The Big Clock? Options are option A, Antonia Fraser, option B, Kenneth Fearing. Option C, Anthony Gilbert. And option D, Lady Bella. The correct option is option B, Kenneth Fearing. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Kenneth Fearing, by Kenneth Fearing. Next question, question number 89. Who is the author of the book, He Who Whispers? Options are option A, Carlo Frettero. Option B, Kenneth Fearing. Option C, John Dickson Carr. Option D, Dick Francis. The correct option is option C, John Dickson Carr. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, He Who Whispers, by John Dickson Carr. Next question, question number 90. Who is the author of the book, The Glass-Sided Ant's Nest? Options are option A, Carol Spear. Option B, Peter Dickinson. Option C, John Dickson. Option D, Kenneth Fearing. So the author of the book, The Glass-Sided Ant's Nest, is option B, Peter Dickinson. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Glass-Sided Ant's Nest. Next page, question number 91. Who is the author of the book, Vendetta? Options are option A, Francis Francois T. Option B, Christopher Dickinson. Option C, Dick Francis. And option D, Michael Dibdin. The author of the book Vendetta is option D, Michael Dibdin. Let's check the answer. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book Vendetta by Michael Dibdin. Next question, question number 92. Who is the author of the book Rose at 10? Options are option A, Marco Denevi. Option B, Michael Dibdin. Option C, Dick Francis. And option D, Kenneth Fearing. The author of the book Rose at 10 is option A, Marco Denevi. Let's check it. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Rose at 10. Next question, question number 93. Who is the author of the book In the Last Analysis? Options are Option A, Michael Dibdin. Option B, Amanda Cross. Option C, Dick Francis. And option D, Kenneth Ferring. The correct option is option B, Amanda Cross. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book in the last analysis. Next question, question number 94. Who is the author of the book, The Moving Toy Shop? Options are option A, Christopher Marlowe. Option B, Edmund Crispin. Option C, Christy Pins. And option D, Marco Denevi. The correct option is option B, Edmund Crispin. Let's check the answer. Option B, Edmund Crispin, is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Moving Toy Shop. Next question, question number 95. Who is the author of the book, Unnatural Exposure? Options are option A, Cornwell Twain. Option B, Patricia Cornwell. Option C, Michael Cloe. Option D, Christopher Dibdin. The author of the book Unnatural Exposure is option B, Patricia Cornwell. Let's check the answer. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Unnatural Exposure. Next question, question number 96. Who is the author of the book, The Women in White? Option A, Kenneth Ferring. Option B, Peter Dickinson. Option C, Wilkie Collins. And option D, Patricia Cornwell. The correct option is option C, Wilkie Collins. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Women in White. Next question, question number 97. Who is the author of the book, The Murder of Roger Ackroyd? Options are option A, Patricia Cornwell. Option B, Marco Denevi. Option C, Agatha Christie. Option D, Wilkie Collins. So the correct option is option C, Agatha Christie. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is one of the cover of the book, The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. But this is not the real cover. Question number 98. Who is the author of the book, No Orchids for Miss Blandish? Options are option A, James Hadley Chase. Option B, Marco Denevi. Option C, Agatha Christie, and option D, Amanda Cross. The correct option is option A, James Hadley Chase. Let's check it. Option A is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, No Orchids for Miss Blandish. Next question, question number 99. Who is the author of the book, Farewell, My Lovely? Options are option A, Edmund Crispin, option B, Raymond Chandler, option C, Patricia Cornwell, and option D, James Hadley Chase. The correct option is option B, Raymond Chandler. Option B is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Farewell, My Lovely. Next question, question number 100. Who is the author of the book, Thus Was Adonis Murderer? Options are option A, James Hadley Chase, option B, Raymond Chandler, option C, Sarah Claudwell, option D, Agatha Christie. So the correct option is option C, Sarah Claudwell. Caldwell. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book. This was Adonis murdered. Next question, question number 101. Who is the author of the book, Double Indemnity? Options are option A, Agatha Christie, option B, Patricia Cornwell, option C, James Cain, and option D, Sarah Caldwell. The correct option is option C, James Cain. Let's check it. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, Double Indemnity. Next question, question number 102. Who is the author of the book, Psycho? Options are option A, Mercy Pendrick, option B, Bernie Gladwell, option C, James Cain, and option D, Robert Bloch. So the author of the book Psycho is option D, Robert Bloch. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the film poster. This is not the cover. Next question, question number 103. Who is the author of the book, The Beast Must Die? Options are option A, Patricia Cornwell, option B, Agatha Christie, option C, Nicholas Blake, and option D, Sarah Caldwell. So the author of the book, The Beast Must Die, is option C, Nicholas Blake. Let's check the answer. Option C is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Beast Must Die. Moving to the next question, question number 104. Who is the author of the book, The Poisoned Chocolates Case? Options are option A, Hadley Chase K, option B, Nicholas Blake, option C, James Gilbert, and option D, Anthony Berkeley. The correct option is option D, Anthony Berkeley. Let's check it. Option D is the correct option. And this is the cover of the book, The Poisoned Chocolates Case. So in the next class, we'll start from question number 5. And I am launching the poll. Please mark your attendance. A few people are left. Please mark your attendance. Okay, thank you. We'll continue from next Sunday.